The best remedy for an exhausted body. Coming home tired and exhausted from a long day or spending an entire holiday cleaning the house can be a difficult and physically exhausting task. Instead of resorting to painkillers or supplements to get your body back in shape, why not make use of a massager, that too, a portable one? These massagers act as your messiah while they relieve your pain effectively, relaxing you inside out. Imitating the mechanisms of a professional massage, these devices exert minimal pressure on the required area, untying your knotted muscles that caused you unease. Designed specifically for domestic use, the massagers can be carried around conveniently due to their portable and handy nature. There is no need of carrying lengthy wires or extensions to operate them. Instead, simple affordable battery cells will work for you. With the introduction of various massage types, the fact that the effect it is on an individual remains the same does not change. Be it a Swedish massage, trigger point massage or sports massage, the purpose behind all them is to relieve yourself from stress and give a break to your body. This is just a quick summary. For the full article, please visit the link below to 5reviewed.com. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.